start chapter number 3, that is playing with numbers. Okay, here an example is given. Arrange 6 marbles such that in every row equal number of marble can be placed. Okay, we already played with marbles. हम marbles रमेला है. Okay, नाना आता बहुत नाना. First, second number त्यारे શું કરતા હતા? Marble રમતા હતા ના આપણે પણ એને arrange કરતા હતા. In a different pattern. Okay, તો અમુક વાર તમે એક રો માં 2 marbles મૂકો, એક રો માં 3 marbles મૂકો, એક રો માં 5 માં આમ arrange કરવાનું. Okay, so that we learn it, that we played in a smaller age. Okay, નાના હતા ત્યારે એવું બધું રમતા હતા. But at that time, do you remember that? Do you think that we are using a multiplication of numbers or tables? એ વખતે તમને ખબર હતી કે તમે tables use કરો છો? ના. But એ વખતે આપણને ખબર નથી ત્યારે પણ આપણે tables use કરતા હતા, means numbers નું multiplication કરતા હતા. So how we can arrange the 6 marble in a way that each row get equal number of marbles? For example, 1 marble in each row. So we can arrange एक रो में एक જ marble આવો જોઈએ તો આ 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. We arrange it like this. So we can write it as a in one marble and 6 row, so it is 6. Okay, in each row 1 marble is there. There are 6 row, it means 1 multiply 6 is 6. હવે તમને બહુ નાના હતા ત્યારે તમને નર્સરી જુનિયર માં ત્યારે પણ આવું અરેન્જ કરતા હતા. તમને ખબર હતી કે તમે ટેબલ્સ યુઝ કરો છો? ના, but at that time we are using the table. 2 marbles in each row. So second is there are 2 marbles in each row. So 1 2 then 3 4 and 5 6. So 2 marbles in each row and there are 3 row, it means 6. So it is called 2 3s are 6. Next is 3 marbles in each row. So here 1 2 3 and in second row 1 2 3. So you can write 3 multiply 2, that is 6. Now it is not possible to arrange 4 marble in each row. 4 marble each row માં possible નથી કેમ કે જો તમે 4 marbles આ રીતે arrange કરો તો next row માં ખાલી 2 marbles જ આવે. Okay, so this way is not possible. 5 is also not possible. Now 6 marbles in each row means 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now all marbles are arranged in one row, so it is 6 1s are 6. So what is this? These are called the factors of 6. So factor of 6 are 1 2 3 and 6. So what is the definition of factors? An exact divisor of a number is a factor of that number. जो कोई नंबर બીજા એ નંબરને એક્ઝેક્ટ ડિવાઇડ કરતો હોય તો એને શું કહેવાય? નંબરનો ફેક્ટર. Let's understand this definition with the example factors and multiplication. So first of all we learn factors. Now factor of 4. What is the factor of 4? If we divide 4 with 1, 1 4s are 4, so it is 0, means exact divide, remainder is 0. That is called exact divisor. Now 2 2s are 4, remainder is 0, means 2 exactly divide 4. 3 3 1s are 3, remainder is 1. It means it not divide exact 4. Now 4 1s are 4, remainder is 0. So what are the factor of 4? 1 2 4. Okay, now we will check it for 8. So 1 8s are 8, remainder is 0. 2 4s are 8, remainder is 0. 3 2s are 6, remainder is 2. 4 2s are 8, remainder is 0. We can check for 5 6 7 and 8 will give the remainder 0. 5 6 and 7 will give the remainder. In 5 remainder is 3, 6 remainder is 2 and in 7 you will get remainder 1. But in 8 you will get remainder 0. So what are the factor of 8? 1 2 4 and 8. Means whatever number divide the given number exactly, જે પણ number given number ને exactly divide કરે એ એનો factor થાય. For example 12. તો 12 ને કયા કયા numbers divide કરે? 1 can divide, 2 can divide, 3 can divide, 3 4s are 12, 4 can divide, 5 cannot divide because 5 ના ટેબલ માં 12 આવે નહીં, 6 ના ટેબલ માં 12 આવે. So here 6 2s are 7 ના ટેબલ માં 12 ના આવે, 8 ના ટેબલ માં 12 ના આવે, 9 ના નહીં. Same if you increase the table after 12, so it is 12 1s are 12. So last have to start from 1 and you have to divide the number with the 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will get the factor of numbers. Now we will learn rules for factors and multiplication. What is multiplication? That we learn in this rule. Multiplication શું છે, multiples શું છે, that એ આપણે રૂલ્સ માં લર્ન. So first, some rules are for factors and some rules are for multiples. So what is the first rule? 1 is a factor of every number. Means કોઈ પણ નંબર ને તમે 1 થી ડિવાઇડ કરો તો એક્ઝેક્ટ ડિવિઝન થાય. For example, if it is 13, then 1 can divide 13. 1 13s are 13. तो कोई पण नंबर नो फैक्टर 1 तो होय. So if we write 1 multiply 30, it is 30. Okay, means 13 can be divisible by 1. Each number can divide by 1. So 1 is a factor of 30. 1 is a factor of any number. कोई पण नंबर आप्यो हो एनो फर्स्ट फैक्टर 1 तो લખી દેવાનો. Second is every number is a factor of itself. હવે હું તમને કોઈ પણ નંબર આપું એ એના જ નંબરથી ડિવાઇડ થાય. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ it is 23. It is divisible by 23 and remainder is 1. So 23 is a factor of 23. Or you can write 25 multiply 1. So it is 25 means 25 is divisible by 25. So two rules are that 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. Means બે ફેક્ટર તો ખબર પડી ગયા કોઈ પણ નંબરના 1 and number itself. Next, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. જે પણ ફેક્ટર હોય નંબરને એક્ઝેક્ટલી ડિવાઇડ કરે છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ફેક્ટર ઓફ 8 is 1 2 4. Means 1 divide 8 exactly, 2 divide 8 exactly and 4 divide 8 exactly. So if you divide 8 by 4, you will get 2 as answer, means remainder is 0. If you divide 2 by 8 by 2, you will get 4 as a answer and remainder is 0. So likewise, if you find the factor of number, it exactly divide the number. Exactly divide means remainder will be 0. Next, every factor is less than or equal to given number. If you see the previous example, 8 factor is 1, 2 and 8. All are less than. 1 factor is 8 also. All are less than or equal to 8. જે પણ factor find કરીએ આપણે એ always number કરતા નાના કાં તો number જેટલા જ હોય. Okay? Every factor of number will be less than or equal to that number. Number करता नाना કાં તો number. Now you can take one more example, 25. So factor of 25 is 1, 5 and 25. So that 1 and 5 are less than and 25 are equal to. So every factor are less than or equal to given number. Next is number of factor of a given number are finite. Finite means countable. કેટલા factors છે તમે count કરી શકો. For example, here how many factors of 8? 1 2 3 4. 4 factors are there. For 5 3 factors are there. Means number of factors of every number are finite. Finite means countable. Count કરી શકો. For example, if I take the 3, then factor of 3 is 1 and 3. So only 2 factors are there, that is 1 and number itself. 3 ને બીજો કોઈ નંબર ડિવાઇડ ના કરી શકે. Same for a 7. So in every number factors are countable. Now next and very important, that is multiples. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. So what is the multiple? Let's understand with the example. Multiple of 2 means you need to multiply with different number, you will get the multiple of 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Likewise, if you multiply the larger number, you will get the more multiple. 2 ને જે નંબર સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ એ એનો મલ્ટીપલ થઈ જાય. If I multiply 2 with the 50, then 2 50s are 100, so 100 is also multiple of 2. If you multiply 2 with 11, so 2 multiply 11 is 22, For example, 7. So what are the multiple of 7? You need to write table of 7. That is 7 ones are 7, 14, 28, 35, 49. Likewise, you can multiply 7 with 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 to get the multiple. Multiple જોઈતા હોય તો નંબર ને 1 2 3 ઇન્ફાઇનાઇટ નંબર થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય થાય કેમ કે આપણે કયો નંબર મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરે છે તો આપણા ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ છે. If you multiply 7 with 10, so you get 70 and 70 will be multiple of 7. If you multiply 7 with 11, so 11 sevens are 77. So 77 is also multiple of 7. It means multiples are infinite. So what is the statement? Every multiple of number is greater than or equal to that number. Now you can see the multiple of 2. 2 na multiples શું છે? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Dash 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 means it is increasing. Multiples are equal to or greater than. ક્યારે પણ less than હોય નહીં. 7 na multiples 7, 14, 28, 35, 49. You can see multiples are increasing. Okay, so it means multiples are greater than or equal to the given number. Clear? The number of multiples of given numbers are infinite. Means whatever number you multiply with the number, you will get the multiple of that number. Means multiples are infinite. जितना पर number multiply करता जाओ m multiples मरता जाओ. That's why it is infinite. Every number is a multiple of itself. Multiple start कैसे जाए? Number itself. For example, if I want to write multiple of 11, then multiple of 11 is 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 3s are 33, 4s are 44. Dash 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 means every number is a multiple of itself. If you multiply number with 1, you will get that number. It means multiple of itself. Next is a number for which sum of all factors equal to the twice of that number called the perfect number. Now this can be asked for blank or MCQ. In MCQ it can be asked which of the following is perfect number, or in a blank it can be asked the number for which sum of factor equal to the twice of that number called blank number, that is perfect number. So we will understand this statement with the example. Statement માં શું કીધું છે કે જો કોઈ નંબરના ફેક્ટર્સ લખીએ અને ફેક્ટર્સ નું એડિશન કરીએ તો એડિશન મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય that if that answer is equal to 2 into that number, it is called perfect number. Still we will get with the example 28 now factors. 1 into 28 28, 2 14s are 28, 4 7s are 20. So what are the factor of 28? 1 2 4 7 14 and 20. We are writing the factors in increasing order. So factors are 1 2 4 7 14 and 20. If we add this all factors, we will get 56. And what is 56? It is 2 multiply 28, twice of that number. Okay, and our factors no addition શું આવે છે? Twice of that number. So that's why it is called perfect number. Some numbers are only perfect number. બધા જ number perfect number નથી. અમુક જ number છે જે perfect number છે. Here one example is given, that is 20. Why? Because if you add factor of 28, you will get twice of that number. That's why it is a perfect number. Multiples of any number, there are rules also there. Using that rule, you need to solve the example, find the factors and multiple of given number. So example first is here, write factors of 16. What is a factor? If the number exactly divide the given number, then it become a factor of that number. So first of all, there are two factors is there. One, that is 1, and other is number itself, that is 68. So first of all, we can write 1 into 68 is 60. Now 2 is a factor of 68. For that you need to divide 68 by 2. Factors છે કે નહીં એ ફાઇન્ડ કરવા માટે શું કરવાનું? You need to divide 68 by 2. So this can be performed in a rough work, that is 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So yes, it divides exactly 68 by 2. So 2 into 34 to give 60. Now you can check it for 3 also. So if you divide 68 by 3, so no, it not divide 68 exactly by 3, so it is not a factor of 68. Now first 4, 7. Yes, so it is factor of 68. Now you can check it for a 5. 5 will not be a factor of 68. 6 is also not a factor of 7. If you increasing the number, 17 will be last number. તમે આગળ factors find કરતા જાઓ 9, 8. If you check for a larger number, if you divide this, 17 is a prime number, એટલે last 17 prime number આવી ગયો, then you can stop up to this, or you can check for a other number. તમે 5 થી કરી જો, 6 થી કરી જો, divide 7 થી કરી જો, જો આપે so yes it is factor, but for this these are only factor of 68. So factor of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 17, 34, 68. Okay. Now next, જો તમને ટેબલમાં ડિવિઝન ના આવે તો તમારે આવું ડિવિઝન કરીને જોવાનું, નહીં તો સ્મોલર નંબરના ફેક્ટર્સ તો આપણે ઓલરેડી ટેબલમાંથી ખબર જ છે. Write the factor of 36. Now we know in which table we get 36. So first of all, factor of 36 is 136. That is 36. 2, 18 2s are 36. 3, 12 3s are 36. 4, 9 4s are 36. Then is there any number? No. 4, 5 is not there. 6. Yes. 6 6 are 36. Now 6 6 are 36. So if you reverse the order, 6 is last digit. Then if you divide it with, there is not, we not get 36 in a 7, 8 and 9 is also there. So we need to stop up to this. Okay, 9 તો already આવી ગયો છે એટલે ફરીથી ટેબલ ચેક કરવાના નહીં. So factor of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. શું કરવાનું? First of all we have to check in table 1. Yes, 1 into 36 36. In table 2, 18 2s are 36. 3, 12 3s are 4, 4 9s are 36. Now 5, there is not 36 in table of 5, so we need to move to the next. That is 6 6s are. Now 6 6s are 36. 7 is not there. 8 is not there. Now in a 9 table 36 is there, but 9 is also in a factor. 9 ના ટેબલમાં 36 આવે, પણ 9 તો ઓલરેડી આપણે ફેક્ટર્સમાં લખી દીધો છે, એટલે હવે આગળ ટેબલ ચેક કરવાના નહીં. Clear? This way you can easily find the factors of number. Now write the first 5 multiple of 6. Multiple means multiply the given number with 1 2 3 4. So 6 is multiplied with 1, 6 is multiplied with 2, 6 multiplied with 3, 6 multiplied with 4, 6 multiplied with 5. So what are the multiples? 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. You can find more multiples. Write 5 multiple of 8. Same in previous method. 8 1s are, 8 2s are 24. 8 5s are 40. 40. So these are the 5 multiple of 8. So we can write multiple of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 48, 40 and 14. This dash 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 means we can find the more multiples of given number. One more example. Example 5. Find the factor of 47. So 47. Now you need to remember that is 47 is not divisible by because it is not divisible by any number. So factor of 47 is 47 ones are 47. 1 and 47. Factor of 18. So 1 into 18. Now it is divisible by 2. 2 nines are 3. Yes, 3 sixes are 4. It is possible to have 18 in a table of 4? No. Then 5? No. 6? Yes, but 6 is already there. So no need to move to the next table. પછી આગળ table check કરવાના. Next, so it is 18 ones are 9 twos are 6 threes are. So factors 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Same example 7, factor of 30. Start from 1. 1 13s are 2 15s are 30. Then 3 10s are. It is possible to have 30 in a table of 4? No. 5? Yes. 5 6 are 6. Yes. 6 5 are. But 6 is already there. So we need to stop up to this. So factors of 30 will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now, for today in your homework, you need to write table from 1 to 20 and please if there is any query in table, તમારે tables બરાબર કરી લેવાના છે. એ તમારું homework છે. તમારે tables લખવાના છે 1 to 20. That is in our homework for today's work, and then we will start exercise 3.1 related to factors and multiples.